Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter or you click on Duolingo app. Then this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.